Hi guys, it's back. I'm just going to open these two. Now this one's out. This one can open its ladder but can't move it around. It has big tires. It can go smoothly. And now I'll open this one. And now this tank is out. This one can move it around but can't go up or down. This one can go smoothly too. It says please, and to call it you just have to do 000. To call this one you need to type in 385. And this is the bottom of both of them. And this is the sides, the other side. And this one has this little police symbol. And this one has this little symbol here. And also, what? So this one can do this, but I like police better than fire, but I still got the fire one because my other fire one, the ladder broke, so I got another one with the ladder. And this one has glass here, glass here, glass here, glass here. This one has glass here, 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 and here, and here, and normal glass. So this one is a tank, and this one is a normal fire truck. And over here, when you put the ladder, it has a little space for the ladder. And this one has a little siren. This one has two very tiny sirens over here. And this one is police because it says police. This one says fire at the front, so like police and fire. And yeah, now these tires are smaller than these tires, but these tires are big. These tires are like small. But these ones can go fast. This one can go fast too. But when they go on wood, they make a different sound. Now over here, this has little crisscrosses, and over here it has dots like this, and over here that's it's going like up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And same as this side. And it has these two. And another thing which looks like the sirens over here, but which is not a siren, just glass. and which is like on top of this glass. And this is glass too. I didn't look there before, but yeah, doesn't have it here. But for the sirens, it just there's glass, and for the sirens here, there's glass. And I like how you can also extend the ladder and do this thing. But I still like this one better. And this is, bye guys, this is my channel. Bye.